and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a stunning 1965 Chevrolet Corvette. Love this car, guys. I mean, I can't even contain my excitement. I mean, this car is just gorgeous. There's nothing like a mid-60s Corvette. I bought this car from a local man. He's owned this car for over 25 years. In 2015, he did a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration of this car. It is gorgeous. I've actually owned it for about 3 weeks, guys. Been driving it. My wife and I drove it for a weekend. Gorgeous. Gorgeous car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Guys, this car was this man's baby. He loved this car. I put the gold lines on it. Those are brand new from Diamondback. Those are gold line, radial red line, or I'm sorry, red lines, gold lines. They're the factory correct size. I can't say enough about this car. It is gorgeous. The color, I love it. This is a GM color. It's not an original color. This is called Candy Red Metallic, and it is a GM color. I've got all the documentation for the restoration, and there's really not much, guys, that you can nitpick on this car. This car is gorgeous. There's just a couple thousand miles on a complete frame-off restoration, and it is super slick, man. I probably put 200 miles on the car. Great car. It's got gorgeous paint on it. And guys, this was hard for this car, for this man to let this car go, man. And I've been doing this for a long time, 30 years now, guys. And it's tough, man. This guy put his heart and soul in this car. It was his baby. He's already been up here twice to see it. Matter of fact, his wife did not approve of the gold lines that I put on it. I love the side exhaust. I love the sound of those. These cars are so iconic, man. I mean, they're just so cool. Great investments. Knockoff wheels. The color just pops. I'm glad we got a nice sunny day. This car is just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Great car. I've had it on the expressway at 70 miles an hour. Love the knockoffs, love the side exhausts. I love the sound of those. I got a 14-year-old boy at home that goes for his final driver road test today before he gets his permit, and you know, when he saw this car in the garage, it's the first thing he said is, "Man, Dad, that's a cool car." Matching numbers, 327, 350 horse, Muncie 4-speed, Holley 4-barrel. It's got the stock Winters aluminum intake, the stock ram's horn exhaust manifolds. He's added air blows ice cold, Harrison radiator. Still has the factory shroud with the fan, but he also has a electric fan on it. Disc brakes, power steering. Pretty car. Fit and finish is excellent on the car. It is just gorgeous. See how nice the stainless is. Glass is gorgeous. Mirror's nice. I mean, this car is, I love it, guys. I mean, this is, it'd be so easy for me to take this car home and keep it. Everywhere you look, this car is nice. Bucket seats, console, stock steering wheel. It's got the teak wood wheel on it. One thing I have to get fixed, the speedometer works, the odometer stopped working. So I'll take that over to Scott's speedometer and get that fixed. He's on vacation right now. Clock works. He's converted that, it's a AM/FM radio now. It's power antenna. Let's see, it's all nice back here. Seats are gorgeous. Again, I've got all the documentation for the car. Stock rear end, it's a 336 gear. We got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the bottom of this car, even the pockets where these cars are kind of known to rust in the frames. Jay took some real nice pictures of those. You can see they've never been fixed. They're very nice. Have I told you how much I like this car? And I'm a Mopar guy, and I'm telling you, there is nothing like a mid-60s Vette, man. Look how nice that dash is. Gauges are nice and clear. Hydraulic camshaft, that's standard. We've got a couple more of these little chrome pieces. There's a car cover that goes with the car. You just kick your air on. Again, air blows ice cold. Car runs and drives excellent, guys. Beautiful paint. All your gauges are functional. Radio works, blower motor works, like I say, even the clock works, guys. It's actually one thing I never turned on. They do work. I didn't turn the wipers on. Love the front turn signals on these cars. Oh, might have a bulb out. We'll check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that is a nice car. I love the gold lines too, man. I think it just makes that color pop.